You told us we were free. Well, then show us that we're free. You told us that there is justice, equality for all in this country. Well, then stick to your word and let us see the justice and equality for all. You give us a little bit of something and it's all tokenism. We don't want tokenism. And there are most black men in this world that don't want charity. They asked and asked and asked and you refused to give them anything. Now, we're just about out of patience. Everyone knows that what we're asking is not $1 million. All we're asking for is humanity. We're asking to be allowed to live like human beings. And God, you tell us that this is too much to ask. You're sick. You're definitely sick. How can you tell me that it's too much to ask to be a human being?